Dicks!
It's already so hard. Yo, May 11, Cody 0? What?
Dicks!
Sorry, I just got dicks on my screen. Sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Never! You crazy?
Dicks!
Oh my god. Sorry. Another appearance.
I mean me. I'm not me. Okay, now I'm ready.
Dicks!
Hoppa! Sorry. So we're dicks.
Anyway. Fun.
That's not fun at all. That is so loud. I'm so sorry. Why do they like to troll me when I'm live streaming with you? Like, they're so nice and sweet, and then Blue appears on my stream and D's everywhere. Well, it should be called ananas.
Dicks!
Banana.
Please stop scaring me with your peepees. Thank you. Look.
What?
Do you hear this? That's yours.
I hear so many things.
I'm honking at you.
And this one goes all the way in. One of us can be up there, and we make these two walls come out. So yeah. Hold on. I'll go up there and see if it works. But you hold.
Dicks!
That is so hard. Why are you doing this to me? Why are you putting so many peepees on my screen, bro? Okay,